So let's take a look at the menu section. Now, my current menu has a couple of columns which I don't really need, but it has a nice ability of placing the menu on the side. Now, if I wanted to change it, I could delete these columns. I could just move this around to wherever it feels good. Now, I can also change the layout. So currently it's aligned to the right. I could align it central to this. And actually, I'm going to just shorten this to just have it covering the text that's required. So if I wanted to centralize the menu, look for that point. Let's have a preview. And so that's how it looks in the center. I actually like it to the right side, so I'm just going to let it stay on the right side where it was. And there's one more thing I like to do with my menus, which is if you right click on the menu, you can pin it to the screen. So pinning it to the screen allows it to show up all the time. Just going to move it slightly to the left side with the horizontal offset. And now when I preview, now as I scroll down, you can see the menu follows along. So the user can switch pages easily like that. And then if you right click again, you can select the option to show it on all pages, the pin menu, or not. You can also customize the colors by going to the design section here. And you can choose things like what's the fill color, what's the text color, what's the hover color, what's the clicked color. And all of these things can tie in with the color scheme of your website. So go ahead and try to modify your menu.